A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. Shotcut allows you to place a video inside another video. This is an example that you will create in this tutorial. We are using two videos for this exercise. The first one is the main video, while the second one will be embedded into the first one. First, drag the main video to the timeline. Then, add another video track for the second video clip. Select the second video. Click the Filters tab. Click on plus. Type size into the search box. Select size, position, and rotate filter. Run the second clip. Drag this handle and resize it. You can place it anywhere on the main video. You can rotate the embedded video using this handle. And here is the final output. That's it for now. Stay tuned to see more video editing tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.